Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to send Bitcoin from your Coinbase account to an external wallet in 2025. Whether you're looking to secure your crypto, trade on another platform, or just diversify your holdings, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring BTC like a pro. It's quick, easy, and I'll walk you through it so you can do it confidently. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a Coinbase account set up and verified. If you don't, head over to the Coinbase website or app and create one. It's straightforward. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Here, you'll see all your assets, so locate your Bitcoin balance. If you have BTC, great. If not, you might need to buy some first. Next, click on your Bitcoin wallet to open it up. Look for the Send or Transfer button. Coinbase's interface in 2025 is even more user-friendly, with intuitive icons and prompts. Now, you'll need the external wallet address ready. This is a unique string of letters and numbers from your external wallet, like a hardware or software wallet. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as sending to the wrong address could mean losing your funds forever. Enter the address in the designated field, then specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Coinbase will show you the estimated fees and network confirmation time. Remember, Bitcoin transactions use the blockchain, so it might take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. Review everything carefully. The address, amount, and fees. If it all looks good, hit Confirm and authenticate with your two-factor setup for security. Once the transaction is initiated, you'll get a confirmation email and see the status in your Coinbase account. Boom! You've just sent your Bitcoin. A quick tip. Always start with a small test amount if you're new to this, and keep an eye on gas fees, which might fluctuate. In 2025, Coinbase has integrated more eco-friendly options, so look for those if you're environmentally conscious. There you have it, folks. Sending Bitcoin from Coinbase to an external wallet is simpler than ever. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.